Video, I will show you how to hide members in Telegram group. So I just want to tell you that Telegram groups with fewer than 200 members behave differently. All members are visible in small groups. There is no built-in way to hide members completely if your group has under 200 members. So alternatively, you can use a private group. So you have to open your Telegram, locate your Telegram or locate your group right here, tap the group name. Now you have to edit this one. You have to locate the group type. So you have to click this pencil icon. And then here you can go to group type and then set this to private. Now only invited members can join, but everyone in the group can still see other members. Another thing is that you can just basically tap on the name of the group again, and then you have to restrict interaction. So go to permission and then toggle on what you want to restrict here. For example, if you want to restrict add new users, you can just basically toggle that one on and so on. So basically, this is how you use restriction here as alternative for hiding members. Lastly, if you have 200 plus members, then you can just go to your group name and then go to this pencil icon, scroll down, go to members, swipe down, and you should see hide members right here. But that is if you have 200 members, but if you're under